So how to transfer money internationally on HSBC. So to send money abroad on HSBC, you're firstly going to have to open up HSBC online banking, as the only way you can create new international pays is through the online banking. But once you've opened up your HSBC dashboard, you'll just want to click on Pay and Transfer right here. Then once you've done that, you just need to select the account that you want to transfer from. So in this case, it's just going to come from our current account. And then once you've done that, just scroll down to the options here. Then you want to select a new payee option. And then on the next slide, you'll get these two options here. So you'll get a drop-down menu to pick the country that you want to send money to. So for the example of this video, we're going to select the United States. And for the currency, we're going to select USD. Then once you've selected the country and currency, click Continue. And then it will open you up to the next page here, where you just want to go ahead and enter the bank details that you want to send money to. So obviously the details can vary depending on the country you chose. So if it's a European bank, it might ask for an IBAN. But obviously because we chose America, it's just going to ask for the address, zip code, and the account number of the account that we want to transfer to. Then once you've put in those details, you'll just need to select the amount that you want to send. So for the example of this video, let's say you want to send £10, which at the current time of recording is worth $12.63. Then once you've input the amount, you'll then be able to clarify who's going to pay the fees. Obviously for this part, you'll get clarification on how much it's worth in the review section, so you can always come back to this if you change your mind. And then if you scroll down a bit again, you'll just need to do some additional security. So you're going to need to get a security code from your HSBC app. And if you're unsure how to do this, just follow this step by step, as it will tell you how to get a code from your HSBC app. And then once you've entered the code, click Continue. And then it will open you up to this page here, where you'll just need to review the transfer before proceeding. So as we discussed earlier, so if you did want to send £10 theoretically, the HSBC fee for that would be £5. So certainly always check the fees before proceeding. But if you're happy with everything, you can go ahead and press Continue. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.